This is my earnings for the past 24 hours. Now you can do this in the first 20 minutes, the first 30 minutes, or the first 10 minutes depending on when you'd like to take action. You can be a nobody, you don't need any social media, you don't need a website, and this is all completely free to do. The goal of this video is to help you replicate this. Let's go. This is going to be a really unique strategy where you don't need a website, you don't need to spend any money on shoutouts or ads, you don't need any social media following, we're not going to be spamming links everywhere. This is going to be a really unique strategy. And I've been trying this pretty hard myself as well, and I'm going to hop into my dashboard just in a bit to show you my live and proof of earnings from this to show you that this does actually work and that if you watch this video, you can replicate results like this. So just to show you, this is my live dashboard on JVZoo. So JVZoo is an affiliate marketplace where you can become an affiliate for various different products and digital products, and you can get commissions through sales through your unique links. So yes, this video is going to be about affiliate marketing, but this is going to be a strategy or a method of affiliate marketing that you probably haven't seen before. It's something really new, and it's something that goes viral pretty quickly, getting you a lot of affiliate commissions. So in the past 24 hours, I've generated $144.16 today. This is all net profit, so there's no expenses on this, as this is all a free strategy. But I will be honest, I have been doing one or two other things in other videos that I've made as well. So this revenue, I would say about $80 came from this strategy, but I have been doing other free strategies that actually have a whole playlist. I'll leave a link down that below, and I'm trying out multiple different things at the same time, and this has been my total earnings today just with free traffic. But the majority of this has been from what I'm going to teach you in this video now. And just to refresh to show you that this is my live dashboard, if I click on reload, you can see right here that this is a live dashboard and not a screenshot or anything like that. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur and website developer from South Africa, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online and giving you exclusive insight into that so that you can get the most valuable possible. So if you want to get the latest ways and videos and tricks and tips on how to make money online, how to build a sustainable business such as dropshipping, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, creating content, all sorts of ways of building a brand and building a business, make sure to hit that bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to give you a little secret. Come close. And this is something that is really crucial for building a big business online. If you want to build a business from scratch and you really want to build a loyal audience and you want to monetize that through affiliate links or whatever it may be, you need to give a ton of value. Whether it's free value, free resources, helping people, you need to give, and over time you will receive. But in saying that, you mustn't give with the goal of hoping to receive back. This is going to be a whole strategy around giving free value and monetizing that free value by building a little bit of an audience. And how we're going to do that is you don't need to produce videos or create videos or any kind of content. We're not even producing videos. We're just creating text content. In fact, I'm going to give all of that to you. So you're going to come over to this website called idplr.com where you can find tons of different ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music that you can actually claim as your own. You can sell them, you can give them away, you can edit them, manipulate them, rebrand them to however you like. You have the legal rights to edit and manipulate these documents and PDFs. So what we're going to do is we're not going to go and resell ebooks or PLR or anything like that. All you want to do is you want to come over to ebooks and you want to click on with giveaway rights. We're actually going to give ebooks away and we're going to get paid for that. So you can see over here how to grow your business with sales funnels, 12-point checklist, and it's all going to make sense. So make sure to keep watching with me so this kind of will make sense. I know right now you're thinking, Jay, how on earth are we going to make money by giving away ebooks? It will all add up, but there's one or two steps that you need to understand. You can see there's a whole ebook on motivation, 20 online business ideas. So I'm actually going to use this one. I like this one, 20 online business ideas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in a new tab and I'm going to download this to my PC. And you can see over here, this is a very neat PDF on 20 online businesses that you can work from home and do something that you love, such as creating a blog, getting into the domain business, selling apps, selling your own designs, freelancing, building websites. But this is just here to provide free value to people, and we are then going to get paid for that. And we are just simply going to get paid for that by providing value to people and re-uploading this. So that's going to lead to our next step. We need to come over to a website called PDF Escape pdf.com, which is a free online PDF editor where we can go and edit a PDF. And this is what I'm going to show you on how I'm getting paid from this. So all you want to do is you want to click over here on the free online PDF editor. Click on the free online button. It's all completely free. You want to upload a PDF to PDFscape. Click on choose file. Come over to the folder where you've got this PDF saved. Double click that and it will upload to PDF Escape. And here you go. You can now see that I can edit this PDF. So all my pages are here loaded in PDF Escape. I can add text, images, links. I can do freehand drawings. I can add new form fields. I can do like whiteout, which is cover some of the text, create new pages, and completely customize and edit this text and PDF document to how I like. But if you guys enjoyed the video so far, make sure to leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that support, and also comment down below if you have any questions throughout this video. I heart and see and reply to all of my comments. But before we go and edit this PDF, there's one or two things that we need to go and do. So obviously in the beginning of this video, I spoke about JVZoo. We need to come back to JVZoo. We need to find an affiliate product related to making money online. Obviously 20 online business ideas. So I'm going to come over to affiliates. I'm going to come over to find products. And over here, you can see tons of different digital products and software programs that you can become an affiliate for. What I really like about this, and most of it being software, think about it. Software is the biggest industry in the world. The backbone of the economy relies on software. Retail shops, wholesale companies, factories, they all rely on databases and software. That is why there's always going to be a big and fast growing market for this. So you can also come over to category. I suggest come over to business and finance, or internet marketing and e-commerce, sorry. Make sure it's internet marketing and e-commerce. You can click on search, and you obviously want to find affiliate products related to the ebook that you have chosen of IDPLR. So obviously if you're doing motivation, your affiliate product must be related to motivation. So you can see over here, here is a product called the Commissions Machine, which is all about affiliate marketing and building an audience and growing your online business from there. You can see here, Profit Builder Professional, all about building a dropshipping and affiliate business. Affiliate Titan X, an entire course on affiliate marketing. So what you can do is you can choose any one of these products. You can click on request approval, and in this little form over here, or this field where you need to enter some text, you need to sell yourself because you want to get accepted as fast as possible. Sometimes people on this affiliate platform take a little bit longer to get approved as an affiliate when they just click on request approval, but you want to stand out. So you want to say something along the lines, hi there, I'm a PDF and ebook publisher. I create ebooks and publish ebooks on Amazon and various different platforms for people around the world to see. I would love to become an affiliate for your product so I can promote your product in my ebooks and get some commissions for that. Then you want to request approval, and then you'll be able to come over to your approved products over here. Like Fade to Black is a one affiliate tool that I used. You're going to click on get links, and over here you can copy this affiliate link over here. This is your affiliate link, so you'll see when you go to that link it will take you to the landing page of that product. Then what you want to do is you want to come back to PDF Escape, and over here on some of these pages you want to add a little text section. So you can see here text, and you want to come over to more or less where the intro is or where page 1 is. You want to highlight this section over here at the top of the page, and you want to put something like this: my #1 affiliate marketing tool that will blow up your earnings with affiliate marketing. And you want to put your click here. You just want to make this a little bit bigger, such as maybe 17. You want to just centerize it and make it look neat, so you can drag this like to the middle. We can make this bold as well, so we can make this bold, and we can actually make this even a little bit bigger as well, to about 25. There we go. And then after this little section here, you want to click on link, and you want to click on this section over here next to, and you want to put your affiliate link, and you want to click on URL and click on OK. Then over here you want to highlight this entire block box over here, so that when people click on this, it's going to take them to this link. And all you want to do is do this for each and every page. Let me just zoom out a bit. You can see here, when people click on this section over here, it's going to take them to your affiliate link to the affiliate marketing product. And obviously this is related to 20 online business ideas. So you can put here how to get started with affiliate marketing and blogging, have a link to your affiliate link. How to get started with the domain business and affiliate marketing, have a link to that. How to sell apps and become an affiliate for apps, have a link to your affiliate product over there. And you want to do this for each and every page. So the next step is going to be coming over to Google, and you want to type in ebook publish websites. And what you want to do is you want to go find a whole bunch of free websites where you can go and publish your ebook that you've now downloaded and rebranded as your own and become an ebook publisher. So over here, for example, if I come over to smashwords.com, Smashwords is a website where we can go and publish our ebooks and people can get them for free, people can buy them. But this is why we are going to get a lot of downloads and how we're going to get more sales with this. You'll see a lot of people are charging for the ebook, such as $2.99, $3.99, $4.99. But when they see your ebook under the free section and they see that yours is going for free, such as the best ways to make money online, people can download that. But then the point is, when they actually read through your ebook, they're going to see the #1 recommendation and they're then going to click on your affiliate link, and that's how you're going to get sales through that link. And another great website is called myebook.com, where you can go and post your ebooks again. And what I suggest is, and this is a great tip I'm going to give you guys, is you want to post everywhere as possible. Because let's take a look at it like this. If we create, let's say, 30 ebooks, and we post an ebook every day for 30 days, and each ebook, let's say, gets 10 or 5 to 10 downloads a day, because remember, they're free now. But over time, you've now got 30 ebooks getting 10, 5, even let's say 2 downloads a day. That is 60 downloads in total per day, because now you've got 30 ebooks. If you do this every day for a year, and now you've got 320 ebooks, you're going to be getting over 600 downloads a day on 300 ebooks. That's if each ebook just gets only 2 downloads a day. So this is how consistency and volume into this is going to get you more and more affiliate commissions over time. So in the beginning, you might earn a little bit less, but over time, there could become a time where you earn complete passive income from this. So what I'm going to give to you is this website over here. Come over to, if you put in ebook publish websites, you want to come over to this first one over here, 29 places to publish your ebook, called smallbiztrends.com. It looks like this. So they kind of give you like a bullet point form of all the best places, such as Amazon, NookPress, iBook Author, Google Play, Lulu, Blurb, Smashwords, Kobo Writing Life, BookBaby, Shopify, PayHip, eBookKit, Scribd, eJunkie, Gumroad, TradeBit, all these different websites. What I suggest is go and post on every single one of these websites every day. Whether it's this ebook, create another ebook from IDPLR, just go download one and get an affiliate product related to the ebook that you download, and go and post on every single one of these platforms and build an audience, produce, give value, and post. So what I'm going to do is, on the screen, I'm going to leave over here somewhere, I'm going to leave a playlist to my best affiliate marketing playlist that will help you get started with ClickBank, JVZoo, publishing, all sorts of different strategies to really boost your income and see income and revenue just like this. I know this is not tons of money, but it's great considering I'm using mostly and only free strategies with this. I'm not paying for ads, I'm not paying for Instagram shoutouts. This is all free traffic, clicks, visitors. It's all from free traffic methods. So I'm not investing any money in to see this. I'm only investing my time and effort into getting sales like this. That's what this whole playlist is about. So you're welcome to go and click on that playlist. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. I would really appreciate that. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.